Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch
don't,
it.
Don't. No fear,
Man, I
man.
got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down.
Bay County, Florida, September 12, 2025. Police dispatch received multiple 911 calls about a man walking along a road armed with both a handgun and a shotgun, reportedly pointing weapons at passing cars and yelling at drivers. Deputies were dispatched immediately. You're about to hear exactly what dispatchers heard that night.
Bay County 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Weber Road, Weber and 231, South Florida.
Okay, what's going on over there?
There's a guy in a red maroonish long sleeve shirt and black pants with a chain that is walking with a rifle. Not sure of the exact gun. Not even sure if it's BB, but I know a car went to turn off Weber just a second ago, and he took the gun off and pointed it at the car as the car was turning.
Bay County Sheriff's Office, where is your emergency?
There's a guy walking down at Weber Road with an assault rifle and fountain. And
Okay.
I was actually just heading home because this is the same guy that was stalking me at my work yesterday.
Okay, just stay on the line with me. Are you close to Edward Road in Weber?
Yeah, I just kept driving. He waved at me and smiled, and I didn't turn down Edward. I just kept going straight.
After those calls, a Bay County deputy was the first to locate the man. He saw the suspect still armed and tried to talk him down, but things escalated fast.
I'm sleeping.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you
You
didn't.
reach for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
reach
you're not.
for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your
Grab
gun.
that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on? I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Sure.
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Bay County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is hot.
This is Carolina. Heights subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get off of you?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know, you got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch
Don't.
it.
Don't. No fear,
Man, I got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
From the office.
Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
Yes, where you are? We have this location.
Weber and 231.
Code 3.
Back up. Back up.
471, same traffic. 25A, copper. Weber and 231. And 470 route code 3 from Penny and 231. 40's en route. 6-8, if we haven't already, fire EMS around to them.
Mr. Smith.
The suspect was pronounced dead at the scene, while the deputy was completely unharmed. All we have is the footage released so far due to the case still being under investigation. We'll let you know when there's new info. Thanks for watching.